Leetcode medium problem 146 LRU cache, least recently used cache. So we want to save a key value pair. Obviously, we can save these key value pair in a disk. In a dict, say self. If we have a dict, and when we get, we can always just return a value with a key, and when we want to put, we can just add a value. But the thing is, how can we know the least recently used? Like this example, say we have 1 inserted into the dict first, then we have 2 inserted into the dict, then we updated 1 and 1. So if we can move, let's say label, or move it to the end of this list, and obviously this is the least recently used ones, and once this is too long, and we can always get rid of the oldest one. So this is exactly the feature of a ordered dict.